Try this again. This is the list 15, 9, 10, 100 video. So here are your roots for the week and what they mean. This video is the deci deca video. So these roots both have to do with the number 10 and are Greek roots. Your words are decade, decagon, decagons, decimal, decagram, decades, decimeter, decathlon, and decaliter. So your first word is decade, and this is a period of 10 years. So in the picture there, you can see the years from 2000 to the end of 2009 represented. This is 10 years, so this would be considered a decade. Starting in 2010, the endings of all those years from 2010 to 2019 end in T numbers, so we would consider that the next decade. So 2000 to 2009 would be the decade prior to the one we're in right now. Decagon is a figure with 10 straight sides and angles. I think of pentagon, polygon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon. We've talked about lots of figures. So decagon is a 10-sided figure. On your homework beside decagon, please draw your best decagon. Decagons means multiple 10-sided polygons, and is the plural form of decagon. So in the picture, there are 10 decagons. Decimal means to be based on the number 10. So you can think of a decimal system. In the picture is a number line from 0 to 1, and the decimals are listed there. So 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, etc. Decades, this is the plural form of the word decade, which is a period of 10 years. So in that picture are some decades, the 1920s, 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, and how we think of how they dressed during that time. So on your homework, I want you to write which decade you think it would have been most fun to live in. Decathlon is an athletic event in which each competitor takes part in the same 10 events. So the pentathlon was 5 events. The decathlon is 10 events. You can see in the picture which 10 events they take part in. So your next 3 words are all units of measurement: decagram, decimeter, and decaliter. So a decagram is a metric unit of mass or weight equal to 10 grams. So on your homework, you're going to see in the left column the words decagram, decimeter, and decaliter. And then in the right column, you see the words capacity, mass or weight, and length. So as you go through the video, you're going to draw a line from your spelling word on the left, decagram, decimeter, decaliter, and what it measures on the right. So you're just kind of matching the unit and what it measures. So a decagram is a metric unit of mass or weight equal to 10 grams. A decimeter is 1/10 of a meter or 10 centimeters. So think about what a decimeter measures and match it. And then last but not least is decaliter, and this is a metric unit of capacity, which is equal to 1/10 of a liter. So you can see in the picture here's 1 liter, here's 1 centiliter, and here is 1 deciliter.